Baes, the girls of Bae, and I'm back with another video. And today we are testing out the new ColourPop Hello Kitty collection. They recently just dropped this collection, and this is their second time doing a Hello Kitty collection. I know they did one earlier this year or last year, so they just came out with the new Hello Kitty ones. So it comes with 4 palettes, 2 blushes, a lip scrub, and some lip balms. So I'm going to be playing around with the makeup today. I already did one eye look, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this eye on this side, and then I'm just going to try out the blush and then try out the lip balm. I'm not going to try out the lip scrub, but the lip scrub is also very cute too, and the packaging is so adorable. I think I'm going to keep it in the boxes. I don't think I'm going to be using the lip scrub anytime soon, but I'm going to just be doing a quick little look and just telling you guys how I like the product. And it's going to be something quick and easy, nothing too long, and it's been a while since I did a really fun makeup look, so I think it'll be a vibe. It will be a vibe. So let's get into this video. Hey, how you doing? First, I'm going to prep my eye with Fruits Cosmetics eyeshadow base. This is their coconut base. I do have a coupon code if y'all want to try it out. I really do like the base a lot. It's very pigmented and it's white, and the reason why I'm using white is because I want the eyeshadow to really pop on my eyes. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid. So I took a little bit of concealer and just blending out the edges of the white base because I don't want that really harsh line. So I'm just blending it out. The collection comes with 4 eyeshadows. So the first one is Cocoa Cutie, and it's like blue. I love blue. Blues are like one of my favorite colors to work with. And then we have Pineapple Cake, which is yellow. Yellow is like my least favorite color to work with. I know, right? Crazy. Next we have Cherry Sweet, which is pink, also one of my favorite colors to work with as well. And then next we have Teeny Keeny, which is this orange color, orange shades. I wish I had a green one because I actually love green. Green is like one of my favorite colors to work with, but they didn't come with a green, so it's just too bad. So first I'm going to go in with Teeny Keeny, and I'm going to go in with Hula Hoop, which is this matte orange shade right here. And I'm taking a very fluffy brush, wherever my fluffy brush is. I'm taking my fluffy brush and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye, but I'm doing it right on top of my crease, right above my crease. And I'm just packing on the colors first. I know ColourPop doesn't have the greatest eyeshadow formula, but I always find when you pack on the color first, then blend it out, I feel like you get a really good pigment. Plus, this is also, the base I'm using is also really great too. But to be honest, I'm actually very impressed with this formula. It's pretty pigmented, so I'm thoroughly impressed, ColourPop. Next, we're gonna go in with Cherry Sweet, and I'm going to be using the color Soda Crush, this beautiful matte color. I'm going in with another fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply it right in the center and right next to the orange. Next, we're gonna go in with Hang 10 from the Cocoa Cutie palette, which is this beautiful matte blue, and then we're gonna go in with another fluffy brush. And this one, there's a lot of kickback, and I know people kickback is like when you dip it into the pan and you swirl it around, you get like a lot of dust. So there's a lot of dust when I'm dipping my brush in. There's like a lot of it, to be honest. So I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of my eye. So I like to tap the color on first. Tap the color on first. And then I'm going to start blending it out. Fun fact, me and Hello Kitty have the same birthday. She's born November 1st, so she's a baddie Scorpio just like me. I'm actually a really big Hello Kitty fan because of the fact that we have the same birthday. And you know, growing up, I've always had everything Hello Kitty, the teddy bears, clothes, all that kind of stuff. I was always like Hello Kitty fan. I love Sanrio. My dream is to go to Sanrio Land in Japan. My also dream is I want my own personal bathroom, and I want my entire bathroom to be all Hello Kitty. Sorry to my future man, but that's what we're gonna do, babes. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go back in with that pink color just to get a blend. So when you blend the pink and the blue together, you're getting like a little bit of a purple, which is cute too. It's a cute moment. I like that transition as well. It's pretty. I'm not mad at it turning purple. So I'm going to take a bit of Sandcastle, which is a shimmer orange. I'm going to apply it right under, just right under the orange. Just a shimmer. Just have a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner. like that to add some dimension, you know. So next I'm cutting the crease with the eyeshadow primer, and I know a lot of people now, they usually remove the extra product with Vaseline or makeup remover, and then they reapply the eyeshadow base to cut the crease or whatever like that. I'm not doing that today because your girl's lazy. And to be honest, I haven't really done that in a really long time for a lot of my looks. I know, right? Crazy, but I'm honestly lazy. I only ever do that when I'm doing something really precise and I'm like, it's something complicated, I'll do that. But to be honest, I haven't been doing that step in a hot minute actually. It's because I'm lazy. It's because I'm lazy. So my cut crease off, cut. Next I'm gonna go in with a La Pina, this beautiful shimmery yellow color. It's like a nice metallic yellow. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna apply this in the inner corner of my cut crease, and I'm also going to apply around the cut crease, like around the edge, but the key thing is you don't want to fill it in, so I'm just applying it along the edge of the cut crease. To me, this is like a simple cut crease look. Some of y'all might be like, simple? I'm like, yeah, this is pretty basic cut crease for me. And then next we're going to go in with Sandcastle from Teeny Keeny. And we're gonna apply this right next to the yellow. It's kind of like going in the dome shape, so you're kind of filling it in the dome shape. Then I'm gonna go in with Hibiscus from the Cherry Sweet palette. I could have done one look using one palette, but I'm like, I want to do something colorful. It's been a minute since I did a colorful look on my page. So then I'm gonna add the pink right under the orange, going towards the end here. So we're kind of getting like a sunset. That's the whole vibe of this, sunset. And then next we're gonna go in with Baby Breeze from Cocoa Cutie palette, and then we're just gonna fill in the rest of the cut crease. Honestly, like, I'm really impressed by the eyeshadow and how pigmented it is. Like I said, ColourPop eyeshadows can be a hit or miss, but I'm not having difficulty blending everything out. I think it's pretty good. My cut crease could be more symmetrical, but I'm not beating myself up about it. So next I'm gonna go in with Makeup Forever's Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow pencil, and I'm just gonna take a angle brush right here, or technically it's an eyebrow brush, but it's also an angle brush, and I'm going to create a little wing liner. So I'm only going to start the wing from the center of my eye and outwards. I'm gonna leave this blank because I'm gonna go in with liquid liner afterwards. So I'm just gonna take my favorite black shadow, and I'm just going to start smudging out the wing liner. So I just took a blue from another random palette, like a nice dark blue. I'm just also smudging it out on top of the black so I get like a nice like smoky liner look. So it's all blended out, and then I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to wipe off the excess product. I don't know if my camera got the part of me cleaning up the eyeshadow with concealer, but I did that to give a more sharper look. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush just to blend out the edges. So I'm just gonna take a bit of Fruits Cosmetics as their black currant. I just realized Fruits Cosmetics and the Hello Kitty collection kind of go hand in hand. You see what I did? So I'm just gonna line the inner corner, and I'm gonna just drag it down as well. Give like a cat eye look. My eyes are pretty much done. Next I'm just gonna do my foundation and everything like that, and then we're gonna try out the blushes and the lip balms. So I finished my base makeup. Everything's looking great. I love the way my face looks chiseled and snatched. I do have a video on how I do my foundation routine. It's the UK baddie version, so I have a card up there so you can go check it out. And I'm also wearing Halfway Tree lashes from Yardy Cosmetics. These lashes have been my favorite lashes for the last 3 weeks. Like, honestly, I've been wearing them for 3 weeks now, y'all, and they still look amazing. I'm obsessed with these lashes. I need like 20 more of these. They're like everything, like, oh, everything. Anyways, now it's time to talk about the blushes. So I'm really happy that ColourPop gave something for us melanated girls, because some of the blushes were kind of a little bit pale, a little bit dusty, and I was like, ooh, child, I don't think that's gonna work for me. But ColourPop was, they did it for us. They did it for us melanated queens, and I'm pretty sure this will look good on girls who are darker than me as well. But look at the shades that we have. We have Aloha Honey, and we have Island Shine. So we have a beautiful orange, and we have a beautiful like pink color, and I'm super obsessed. Like, I was like, yes, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm actually going to use the orange one because orange blush is like my favorite thing. I'm obsessed with orange blush. So I'm going to go with my Peaches and Creams brush, and I'm going to apply it on the cheeks. Oh, this is such a beautiful color. So I'm gonna apply it here. I'm gonna apply it on my nose, my nosies. I also have to apply it on my forehead. I do have a video on this. It's part of the UK foundation routine video. So that's how I like to do it. Yeah, I love blush. Like, blush is everything. This is so pretty. This blush is so pretty. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This blush is amazing. It's stunning. Like, I'm in love with this blush. Yeah, the Yummy Smoothie Glow Lip Balm Set. So there's 3 shades. I'm gonna swatch them. They're lip balms. I don't think they're gonna have much of a color, to be honest, because they're lip balms. But I'm gonna swatch it. They smell so good. Yeah, so this one that I'm swatching is called Fun in the Sun. I don't know if y'all can see it. Fun in the Sun. That one's really pretty. Tropic Cutie. For lip balms, they have a lot of pigment. Wow, it's really nice. And then we have Hello Fruity. So I gotta sniff them because they smell nice. Here we go. Here's the 3 colors. Wow, they swatched really nicely. These are really pigmented lip balms. I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm definitely gonna go with the first one because it's like nudie and it's super cute. Y'all know I love my nudes. And I know my mother be like, oh my god, all you do is pick nudes. That's what my mama would say. So I'm gonna go in with Fun in the Sun, and then I'm gonna line my lips with BFF lip liner. Definitely love the formula of the lip balms, and they're so like, wow, it's really, really pigmented. Really pigmented, and it smells so nice. Okay, so I finished off my makeup, and I actually really like this collection. This was a pretty cohesive collection. I'm really impressed by the eyeshadow formula. I did not think I was gonna get something so bright and so pigmented on my eyes. Obviously, I had the help of a really good eyeshadow base, but if you are gonna use these colors, make sure you use a really bright base, like how I use the white one. The blushes are probably my favorite thing. Like, the blushes of the lip balm is my favorite thing for this collection. Like, the blushes, like this blush, like I'm looking at myself and I'm looking at how my cheeks just look so like full of life and so warm. So the blushes for me is a must-have. Like, if you can get your hand on the blushes, get your hand on the blushes. I love the lip balm pack. You can never go wrong with lip balms. I love the fact that it's pigmented. So I 100% recommend this new Hello Kitty collection by ColourPop. It's really great. Like, and I'm really impressed by it, and I like this way better than the other Hello Kitty collection they came out with first. But yeah, that is my little review and word test, not word test, or trial or play test with the new Hello Kitty collection from ColourPop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye!